Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making an all-time Korean favorite, spicy barbecue pork. It's easy to make and you can even prepare it a day ahead. Let's get started. For the marinade, we need gochujang, gochugaru, and adjust to your spice level. Brown sugar, honey, black pepper, sesame oil, mirin, and this is a puree of ginger, garlic, white onion, and Korean pear. You may have seen this in my bulgogi video. If I make extra, I'll freeze it and thaw it out when I need it. Oh, and I almost forgot the soy sauce. I added a quarter cup off camera. I was at the Korean market, so I picked up some pre-sliced pork shoulder and pork belly. But you can easily slice the meats yourself. I'm using 3 parts shoulder to 1 part belly, but you can adjust the ratio depending on your preference. I'm soaking the meat in ice cold water for about 15 minutes. You can skip this part, but it's a good way to draw out some of the blood and impurities. After a final rinse under water, I'll squeeze out the excess and then it goes in the marinade. You should marinate this for at least a couple of hours and up to overnight. Heat a generous amount of oil. Over medium-high heat, spread out a thin layer. Then leave it for at least 5 minutes undisturbed to get a good char on it. After you flip the meat, add the white onion and green onion. And again, let it cook until you get really good browning on the other side. This is easy Korean barbecue at home. Serve over steamed rice and your favorite sides. The pork is so tender, slightly sweet, spicy, and smoky. Hope you try this recipe for spicy barbecue pork. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.